kids how to fakie tray. Alright, first thing you want to do while learning fakie trays is you're going to want to learn how to fakie flip. Don't be doing fakie trays without fakie flips, kids. After you get your fakie flips, you're going to want to have tray flips down. And that's the main ingredient for this whole trick. So let's do these tray flips. Alright, after you got your fakie flips and your tray flips, kind of just throw them together because you should already know how to 3-shove and pop shove it and fakie shove, so don't be doing a fakie tray without any of that shit, you hear me? Now that you got your fakie flips and your tray flips, just throw them together. That's your fakie tray.